Okay, so you're not trading. It's outside of your trading window, or you've made your money for the day. You're just watching price action. What could you do here? Well, what you could do here is come in and remove everything off the chart, remove all the levels, and then go find all the trades. So let's just take a look at this. First thing I would look for is the overnight low and overnight high. Did they present an opportunity for an entry? So the London was the overnight high, and you go, yep, you're taking just a tiny little bit of heat. So let's come in here. Let's mark the overnight high here. How much heat would you have taken? Looks like one tick, probably. All right, 3 ticks of heat. Then how far did that thing possibly go? About 5 points before it came back. Now, it could, if you dropped in time frames, it might be different than that. But okay, there's your overnight high. What about the overnight low? Well, it's down here. We haven't gotten there yet, so no overnight low. So was there an IB high trade? That's the next thing I would look for. Well, did we really get enough clearance to want to trade that? No. However, you still look at it and go, all right, well, how much heat did that take? 1 point, and it came in 2 points. All right, probably a gift to break even. I probably shouldn't take that trade. Um, and then what about an IB low trade? All right, right here, you'd have had to front run it. But if you didn't, you wouldn't have been in the trade. But then what did happen? We grabbed liquidity, and then we're pushing back up over the strong level and to this little, not really a front side. I don't know what it is, but it is a fair value gap. It is a blue candle. And I can promise you, if we drop into a 1 minute time frame, that's probably a backside. So yeah, it's a 1 minute backside. So you look at that and go, okay, that would have been a trade. What about this front side? Is this a trade? Well, I love how it bounced. It was beautiful, but that's an overnight level. That's an overnight level with monster candles coming in your face. I'm not sure you take that. However, you do note it. You may not have taken that trade. I said, don't. If I were you, I wouldn't short, because we pulled back down to the bull bear line, and then we're skyrocketing with a vengeance. And then it just came back. This is just a volatile type of opening back and forth. But boy, did that bounce beautifully. Then what did you have? Well, you could probably say, well, this might have been the other front side. How is the strong levels behaving in here? Then it goes up. Is this a front side? Well, you did have 2 candle clearance, so it's something. Um, Noticed that you were given, it went against and it came back. You were given the gift of break even. Once again, not sure you're going to take that trade with a monster candle coming right back at you, but you could have. And you can see you were given the gift of break even there. How far did that go? Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Let's just look at this on a 1 minute. So, and you can just, and this is the beautiful thing of doing it right now. You don't have to trade. You can go back and look. So, yeah, price went against you and it came back. And then you could have taken the gift of break even, or you could have put your stop at 1 tick above this and took a half loss. If you didn't, you would have taken a full loss. Then you've got this break level here, right? How did that break level work? Well, let's drop to a 1 minute chart. So the break level, marking it like we teach it, it touched and bounced. That gave you the gift of break even on your front side, is what that did. And of course, as a group, we were long here. So I'm not even looking at any of those as I'm trading. Um, then what happens? Do we develop any levels in here? This kind of becomes a break level, but do you really have 2 candle clearance? Um, I'm going to say no. It's not a trade. Then price pushes down. This tries to become a backside. Did it? No. Then it pushed down again. Did this become a backside? No. Did this become a front side? Yes. All right. There's another entry. Boom, boom. Does this become a break level? Yes. We move down. This could have become a backside, but it didn't. Is there anything here? Nothing, 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 nothing. This could have became a backside. Didn't. Um, Push down. This is what took the low. And we just talked about that trade. Okay. So that's what you do when you're not trading. Go back and look at all of the trades that could have existed. Start with the overnight highs and lows. Start with, and then the IB high and IB low. And then do your 3-minute end of the day chart. Drop in time frames if you want and look to see what actually happened during that. Observe how it's working with VWAP. Notice how we're going back and forth through VWAP. For me, I would just remove this thing. This means nothing right now. It is proven to be meaningless. So therefore, I don't need you. Let's just clean up the chart. Does that make sense? All right, guys.